My name is Brandon Ballerud with LL Johnson. Today I'm here with Matt Anderson from Toro out at the city of Thornton Ballfields using the new Toro Field Pro 6040.
Hey, I'm Matt Anderson. I'm a district sales manager with Toro. I support sports fields and grounds business for the Western US and Canada. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about Field Pro 6040. So super excited about this machine. First machine we've ever built from the ground up specifically for infield maintenance, and can perform a lot of important tasks to the baseball and softball field manager. So the main business of the product starts here with the multi-tool. We call it here in the middle. It comes with two sets of tines in the middle, both a spring tine and a solid tine. Those tines can be adjusted from the operator station for depth and aggressiveness, and you can quickly change between each tine. There's a cotter pin on each side here. You can rotate the tool, put the pin back in, and we can switch between tines without using any tools. So really nice to have that capability at hand. Right behind the scarifier is a grater box. Grater box, again, controlled from the operator station. Has a pretty deep profile, so it can move a fair amount of material. And it can be controlled really in three different ways. So the first way, I like to say, you're just kind of freestyle grading. So you're just manually controlling the grater by eye with this lever from the operator station. If you want another level of precision, there is a depth stop gauge here, similar to a zero-turn mower, where you can take a pin and say, I want to be a quarter of an inch above grade. I want to grade anything off that's taller than that. So I put a pin in, and then when the tool drops, it'll stop at a quarter inch. So lots of adjustment there for a little bit more control. Third option, this machine is laser grade capable. So you can add a kit from Toro that kind of connects the hydraulic system to some electrical leads. Those leads will plug into a control box for a third-party laser system. So we can add a mast here in the center of the machine with a laser receiver on it, and we can laser grade a field to a really, really high degree of precision. And then off the back of the machine, it'll look familiar to a lot of people, our tried and true QAS system. So any attachment that you have for your existing Sand Pro fleet, whether it be a drag mat, nail drag, anything like that that fits on the QAS system can work on Field Pro as well. So for a baseball and softball field manager, being able to scarify, grade, and then put a finished drag on one pass, really efficient, save time, cover a lot of ground, and we're really excited about it.